Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a fluffy, crunchy, beautiful, best slime in the world slime. Okay, so what you're gonna need is Elmer's school glue, some lotion of your kind, and of course, steal some of your dad's shaving cream. And then glitter. I'm gonna go get this dye real quick. And then some of your dye of your kind. And some flown beads. I'm gonna go grab that activator. Here we go. And then some gain activator. You don't have to use the same activator, but I would just rather you use gain, because it's a better working system. It has better chemical reactions with all the other ingredients. So first you're gonna add in some glue. Move that over a bit. Okay, first you're gonna add in some of this Elmer's school glue. Do. Perfect. Okay. Next you're gonna add in some of your dad's shaving cream. Oh, perfect. Then we're gonna mix all that in. Okay, until it's super fluffy. Right there. Situate the plate so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, now that you have added the shaving cream, we are going to add in some of the some of the dye and glitter. So first I'm going to add in some of the dye. So 2 drops of blue and 2 drops of red. 1, 2. Okay, I think that was 3. But that's okay. It's still going to be purple, at least. Then you're going to do 2 drops of red. 1, 2. Okay. And then you're gonna add some of your glitter that you wanted, and cover up the blue side. And then you're gonna take your other glitter. You can add as much glitter as you want. I just want to add these 2 though, because I'm hoping this is gonna be the best slime in the world. It's the only thing I'm really hoping for right now. Then you're gonna mix it all up until the color and how you want it to look is all how you want it. Ooh, I like this purple. This is gonna be nice. And after this, I'm gonna add some of the flown beads. I'm just gonna need to mix this up first, because you can still kind of see some blue over here and red. And we wanna make sure it's all mixed up so we get all of the slime. This is gonna be the best slime in the world. Now I'm going to add some of my lotion. 2 squirts is enough. And then some of your flown beads. Perfect. Okay. I want it to be crunchy. Wait, hold on. Let's listen to the sound. Oh my gosh. That sounds awesome. Guys, I love crunchy slime and everything like that. And in case you guys didn't know how to make slime and other things, the glue is just, I'm going to tell you what the ingredients do. The glue is just your starting point, and the dye and glitter is optional, and the shaving cream is optional, the flown beads are optional, and the dye is optional, but you always have to use any activator that works for slime. If you didn't use activator, then it wouldn't really actually turn. So now that I'm adding the activator, I'm going to mix it up and see how it turns out to be. I love playing with slime. And after this, I'm going to show you all my slimes that I've made. Like 2 of them are store-bought, and some of them aren't. And my friend made one of them, so It's like a cloud slime my friend made. So if it's like this and it's not quite all turn, that just means we have to add more of this activator. Okay. And Elmer's is the best, is the best glue for slime. I mean, don't like use that cheap dollar store stuff. I would use the Elmer's because it actually does reactions to create the slime. And they're together. It's like love. So it's like the dye, the glitter, the activator, and everything that you add in this, it's like they love each other. So they come together to make one thing. Crunchy, awesome, best slime in the world. Slime. And I'm hoping this is going to turn out great because I've tried this before and it failed quite a lot of times. But the slimes that I'm going to show you after this, I'm going to tell you, well, those are like the good ones that I've made throughout my years with slime. Okay, guys, this is super sticky. So what I'm going to do, since it's sticky, I'm going to go ahead and add more of this game. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and get that off, and then I'm going to rub, scrub-a-dub-dub. I'm giving the slime a bath. The last time I did this, I tried to put in the activator, and it made bubbles when I was scrubbing it like I am now. Oh, I got it all over my fingers! Okay, I'll clean that up later. Go ahead and get that off, though. Add it to my slime. I hope this isn't a fail slime because this is going to be the best slime I've ever made if I actually do this, if I actually finish and do well. I hope I do well. And guys, after this, I'm going to need help with a name. And whoever guesses it first, they are going to get a shout out from me because you are super smart and so are you and you and you and you and everyone in this world. I'm just going to say thank you if you name it. If you're the first one to name it, thank you so much. Because I am not good with names. So, yeah, it's not. I'm going to add some more shaving cream. Like that. Put that right there. Oh my god, that looks so fluffy. Oh my gosh, should I touch it? I want to touch it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, it's butter. It's butter. Butter. Ew, okay, why did I do that? Oh well. I'm going to try to mix it in with my hands. Oh no. It's not good. Not good at all. Okay. This is total butter right now. The shaving cream in my hands right now is total butter. I'm going to try to mix it with my hands instead of the spoon. My back is hurting because I'm crouching. I hope this turns out because it's still looking super fluffy. And my slime crew. Hey guys, I have a good idea. Let's create a slime crew. So whoever names my slimes first are going to be in the slime crew. Doesn't that sound awesome? Okay. And yes, I'll give a shout out to whoever names it again. So, this is super crunchy. I'm going to add some more glitter now, because now that the shaving cream's all mixed in. Oh, my back. I'm going to lay down and do this. Much better. Oh, whoa, okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Did that literally just break? That actually broke. Oh my gosh, guys. I'll pause the video and get right back to you guys so I can fix it up. Okay, I have fixed it. Now it's time to add the yellow. Okay, perfect. And then, of course, the pink. There we go. Ooh, and it made a pretty orange. again, we're going to mix that in. Oh my goodness. That's a pretty orange. Guys, you have to admit, that's a pretty orange. That's nice. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Okay. Stop with the obsessing person. And what I mean by person is me. Because it's time to get to the slime. Look how pretty this is. I actually really like this. Last time when I tried to make this slime, I tried to put in the dye and it just did not work. It just turned out to be pink, but I wanted it to be purple like it is now. I didn't have any problems with this one, guys. I'm so happy because this is the best slime in the world, like I said. And I hope my dad doesn't notice that I used some of his shaving cream. Because, I mean, you know, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. So make sure you smash that like button and the subscribe button so I can have, you know, some subscribers. Thank you for watching. I'm so happy that this one turned out. Thank you guys for helping me. And give me challenges in the comments down below of what I should do for my next slime videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will come back soon, and I'll see you guys in my slime. I'll see you, slime crew, later, I think. Well, yeah, maybe a few days from now. Bye.